Build your six-figure offer using AI. Do you want to launch and scale your business using AI even if you are a beginner? Join my free live AI workshop where I will personally teach you how to use AI prompt to create a complete business system from idea to high ticket offer. In this live AI workshop, you will discover how to choose your profitable niche using AI, create your ideal customer persona in just minutes, build irresistible lead magnet, design a stunning PPT and landing page with AI tools, craft your low ticket and high ticket offers, write follow-up emails and WhatsApp messaging that actually works. This is just not a theory, it's hand-on, step-by-step AI workshop where you will walk away with a ready-to-launch offer. Who is this for? Entrepreneur, coaches, course creators, freelancers, marketers. If you want to automate 80% of your business using AI, this is for you. If you are serious about building your next offer or business using AI, click the first link in the description. Grab your seat for free live AI masterclass before it's full. Thank you. See you in the workshop. Bye bye. Take care.